Okay, what's up guys, and welcome to the channel. So I just finished installing a new version of Windows 11, and I now wanted to show you something. So when you install a new Windows, there might have the old one might remain in the system. So if you want to remove it in the system, how do you do it? So here is how to do it. As you can see, this is the screen. So you just come to your Windows R, then type in this command msconfig. So when you type in msconfig, there you go, msconfig, and then you click OK or enter. This will come up. Now you just go to the place where it says boot, and then you see this is the current OS, the default one. This is the one we want to remove. You just click on it, and then here it is, just click delete. You can set as default, you can see advanced options and all these things, but now we just want to delete it, so delete, and it's gone. So don't forget to apply and then OK. When it will start to apply these changes, you can exit without restarting, or you can just restart. So when you restart, it will get back with only one OS, which is the one that has been remaining now, the one that is Windows 11. So yeah, that's something I wanted to show you real quick. Thank you for watching.